In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create slider with Autoplay on Wix. To begin, open the Wix editor for the site where you want to add your slider. Once you are inside the editor, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This is where Wix keeps the design tools and content blocks you can place on your page. From the Add Elements panel, select Gallery. Wix offers several gallery styles, so this is the section you will use to create a slider that can automatically move from one image to the next. After opening Gallery, scroll down until you find the Slider Gallery section. Here you will see different layout options designed specifically for sliding image displays. Choose a template that fits your page style, such as a product showcase or a standard slider layout. Then drag it directly onto your page. Once the slider gallery is placed on the page, click on it so the gallery options appear. Then select Manage Media. This is where you control the images shown in your slider. If the gallery includes placeholder photos, remove them so your slider only shows your own content. After that, click Add Media Image and upload the images you want to use. Try to use clear, high-quality images that match in size or style for a cleaner look. When you are finished adding your images, click Done to save the media changes. Next, click the Settings option on the gallery, which is usually shown with a gear icon. This is the area where you can fine-tune how the slider behaves. Look for the option to turn on Autoplay and enable it. Once Autoplay is active, the slider will automatically move through your images without requiring visitors to click manually. You can also adjust the slider speed here, which controls how quickly the gallery changes from one image to the next. If needed, you can customize the navigation arrows as well, so they better match the design of your website. Take a moment to preview the slider and make sure the autoplay timing feels smooth and easy to follow. If the images move too quickly or too slowly, go back into the settings and adjust the speed until it feels right for your audience. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your updated site live. That covers everything you need to know.